Want to master A but don't know where to start? Whether you're a student or professional, this guide breaks down everything you need to learn A in 2024. No coding background required. R is reshaping every industry. From healthcare to finance to creative work, learning A isn't just for programmers anymore. Professionals who understand A basics earn more, get better jobs, and stay ahead of automation. Students gain competitive advantage before graduation. The best time to start? Today. Begin with I fundamentals, what machine learning is, how neural networks work, and real-world applications. Skip complex math initially. Next, explore popular tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude. Then learn basic Python if interested in building. Finally, specialize computer vision, NLP, or ethics. Yvonne R. Ethics. Progress gradually, not all at once. Free options, YouTube, Coursera, and Google's A courses. Paid courses, Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization, $39.49, and Fast II, donation-based books. A Basics by Tom Tolley. Practice on Kaggle competitions. Join A communities on Reddit and Discord. Consistency beats perfection, study 30 minutes daily rather than cramming. Month 1 to 1, I concepts and tools. Month 4, build simple projects. Month 5 days SEO. Don't rush certification, focus on real understanding. Join communities, ask questions, and build a portfolio. Most importantly, experiment with a daily. Learning A is a marathon, not a sprint. Ready to master A? Subscribe for more beginner-friendly A guides like this video, and comment below which you're ready to master A. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly I guides like this video.